Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to open and how to view your BitPay wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the BitPay app, and then on the home screen, you will see your total cash value that you have deposited on your account and some basic features. You can see the exchange rates of the 6 main coins that they sell on the site. And to open your wallet, you will have to tap on the second icon on the in the button near the home button, which is this wallet icon. And by tapping on your wallet, you will see all the 6 cryptos available, and you will see the amount that you have for each one. As you can see, I just started using BitPay, so I have 0 from all these coins, but you will see here the amounts on the right side. And by tapping on them, you can see all the features that are available on the site. You can buy some more Bitcoin or any crypto that you want. You can swap them. You can receive and send crypto here inside your BitPay wallet. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.